Let's repair a Ford compass module. This is the overhead compass module out of a Ford F150, F250, blah blah blah. There are a bunch of those trucks. Older Fords have these. Show you what's wrong. They're super easy to fix. And you got to get this part off so you can get down to the board. So these are just little clips that are on here. We gotta manage to get the clips off without breaking anything. Get it unclipped without breaking anything. And your board. Let's unplug our wires here. The board just slides out. This is missing a resistor. So I'm gonna have to look and see if I can find a resistor. It's gone. Sometimes you can find them laying in here, but this one is gone. Problem being, these resistors here get cracked solder joints. They turn completely loose from cracking and vibrating loose. Your vehicle is subject to basically, it's just a rolling earthquake everywhere it goes. So all the rattling and vibration, it just causes things to turn loose. And you know, they had the, I think OSHA is gotten to the point where they don't, well, it hadn't got to the point, definitely has eliminated lead in the solder, which lead makes solder a little more malleable, and we don't have that anymore. So we got all lead-free solder in the manufacturing processes, and it's not very forgiving. Doesn't last long. Alright, well, I don't have any 51 ohm resistors. I got a 68 ohm resistor, and I'm going to stick that on there. And we're going to try it. I think we should be okay. Just a little bit higher resistance. These things are in series anyway, so should work. These one's marked 510 or 51 ohms, and there's one over here is marked 181, so that's 180 ohms. We should get away with it. These are the 180 ohm ones I'm working on. I add flux on these because these are old, crusty resistors and pads and etc. And things just work out a lot better with flux. Yeah. If I can get this thing aligned on here where it doesn't look like I was drunk when I put it on. Hell, I might work better when I'm drunk. They call that a functioning alcoholic. I don't know if I'm a highly functioning alcoholic, but I might be a functioning one. Alright, anytime you use flux, get that shit off of there. Because that is a death sentence for the rest of your circuitry on your board if you don't. It's going to eat through everything, cause problems that you don't want. So get it off of there. Your solder's got a little flux in it. You can get away with just straight soldering without this stuff on there, the external flux. But there's cases where the more flux that you got, like this one, the more flux, the better it's going to work. To an extent. I mean, a gallon's not needed. There you have it. End result. See if I can figure out the pin out to power it up now. Well, I used to do a bunch of these and I had a connector for them, but I don't anymore. So we're going to put it back together, give it back to the customer. I have complete confidence that this is going to work, so shouldn't be an issue. And if you see this video, safe bet is it worked. Because Mama didn't raise no fool, I ain't gonna post it if it didn't. She definitely raised a wild child, but well, she always used to tell me. But not a fool. Clean this up here. It's only 6 pins. Half of mine to just trial and error it, but we'll be alright. We'll be okay. That's it. If you see this video, it's a working unit.